Hi guys, my name is Ram Prasad. I am saying about the experiment 2. Let's see the experiment 2. Basic website using HTML5 from elements plus media elements. Objective: build a website that conforms HTML5 standards and has the following elements: doc type, HTML, title, body, head, divide, p, heading, image, anchor, table, audio, video, embedded in iframe from form, input, select, progress, field set, label, HTML content, etc. Description: HTML from elements and input type and media elements, audio, video, embedded, and the sample web page should be like this. And let's go to the program and let's see the program. Doc type HTML head title, experiment 2 title, head, body, header, and let's go to the we gave the center is the diagram and image. We gave the image address here and the title name is Cisco and the table header table and table should be center. We gave the address here and about Cisco, security products and carriers, security, about Cisco and security products. And we go to the diagram and audio and the next video and audio and next sign up page, username, password, and next contact us, address lane 1 2 3, email link, phone number, and iframe. Iframe means the map address. And let's see the program. Let's see the output now. And we can see the output here. We gave in the Cisco table as here and Cisco image we gave here and the title, carriers, it's working, and about Cisco, security products, and search bar here, and video is working, and the audio is also working. And let's see the contact us, address lane 1, lane 2, and lane 3, email link and phone number, and the iframe. Sign up page is here and I am giving the sign up page for Y and the password is 0. Submit and submit resume. Your resume is open. The first name, middle name, last name, date of birth, age, gender, male, female, and address, city or town, state, zip code, and telephone, mobile, email, website, and qualifications, 10th, 12th, BTech, MTech. Attach your resume in document or PDF format, choose file, and the output, submit, and the submitted form is here. Thank you guys by watching my video. My experiment second one is successfully completed.